You can remember, this was the video that was titled 23 miscellaneous trees. So we're back here. Now we're going to get pressure washing done. They're going to go with a house self wash and a driveway cleaning. And the thing that's so cool about it, even next door, I got a video coming out probably by the end of the week where we remove 4 oak trees out their neighbor yard here. So yeah, and we'll do a little walk around and take a look at a few things. We'll be getting the sidewalk here for them too. I could tell that prior they had some painting on the sidewalk, so we're gonna get it as clean as we can for them. As we can see, the steps have a lot of organic growth, so we'll be doing a pre-treatment on all the hard surfaces, probably at least a 4%. But as you can see, got a lot of black mold here going on, some green mold as well, algae, little surface stuff there growing. So we'll treat these stairs, porch, and you see these gutters here. The gutters look good, but right around the neck of the gutters, you see that dark staining it right there. You can see that. And I always like to do a walk around of all the properties first, just to get a good look. So once again, wow, look at this, guys. This is gonna make for a great before and after. If you can take a look at this here, look at all that growth there, all that organic growth, guys. And we have the application to neutralize it. Keep walking around here. We'll make sure we get the downspouts formed good. Once again, we'll be coming around, pre-treating these lower half of the house with the brick with about a 4%, and the rest of it to get your traditional house wash. Yep, so same thing going on here with the gutters. And here as well, you see how deep dark that staining is? So we're gonna let that house mix ratio sit for a good while, let it dwell to loosen that stuff up, and then we'll come back with moderate pressure, guys. Not pressure, moderate pressure, to get the rest of that that grime off of there. And same thing here coming around. Yeah, so they got it kind of going on the gutters all the way around the house, it seemed like. But that's fine. That's why they call the professionals for it, and that's why we're here. We'll be sprucing up this deck for them as well. So we'll do a soft wash on it. Not much there, so we'll make sure we take care of that for them. And when we get to the side, we'll take these plants off. But yeah, once again, I like to always do an initial walk around of the property, take a look at things, if I need to do any property protection or not. 85% of the time, I don't do property protection. I just be real careful on how I spray. But yeah, so these eaves here, those eaves are pretty clean. I see, once again, these gutters. But yeah, so we'll get our hoses pulled out. We'll get prepped and we'll get started here shortly. We're going to start over here on the far left side of the property. We'll just hit put that 4% down on this brick right here. And when we're treating this 4% on these hardy surfaces, we're only treating the areas that need it. The house wash will take care of the rest. So for instance, you know, I'm seeing a little bit of light organic staining here on the low side. So that's what's going to get this 4%. There's no need to spray the entire house with a 4% if it don't need it. I mean, at that point, you're just wasting chemical and you're being a little redundant. So once we can see here, see how this brick looks nice and fresh, and this little lower band. So that's what we want to hit. That's that little section there. Let that 4% sit, work its magic. Yep, so this is where we start seeing it here, guys. And if you got the right mix, this stuff will start turning white on you. Ooh, this pump is about to go out. Once again, pressure will take that stuff off, guys, but you don't want to use that much pressure on these bricks. You don't want to blow the mortar out, and it is possible, trust me. some water. I don't need much. There we go. Yeah. Start washing. Go ahead and wet these a little bit. Now, I like just to keep enough suds in my batch tank, or my tank, or whatever you want to call it, just so I can get that indication. Right? There we go. People watching this video, this is a 2-story tip. This is not a high pressure tip. This is a high volume tip. Big difference, guys, from volume and pressure. Okay, big difference. today, man, and we'll be touching bases, okay? Man, no problem, man. No problem at all, brother. I'm excited to work with you. Alright, brother, when you take care of Sam, we'll talk. I know. All right, guys, we got this one in the bag here. The house soft wash turned out amazing, guys. You know, always the things that stand out to me is that fascia softer than gutters, man. I mean, looks good. The downspouts are beautiful. The sidewalk turned out good. It just didn't turn out to the best of my ability because this was once a painted sidewalk. So you kind of get what you get. As you can see, it was painted some type of light blue color. But if you've seen before, guys, look at these stairs. Wow. I mean, looks great, man. Looks really, really good. Turned out very well. And I'll do some before and after shots in the video so you guys can see it. But yeah, everything turned out great. You remember how these gutters had that real dark dinge to them, all that organic growth, man? Hey, man. House soft wash solution, let it dwell, and we annihilated it. But yeah, turned out really good, man. I'm really satisfied with this one. The clients are happy. Another neighbor has now came out, so we're gonna go get that neighbor estimate as well. And it's low light over here, but you can still see it. Turned out amazing. Double door steps turned out amazing. And the clients are right here on the back side of the house talking, so I'm not gonna go over there and get them on camera. But yeah, guys, we got another one in the bag. Once again, this is ZML, with ZML Exterior Home Care. We specialize in pressure washing, the art of soft washing, and tree removal. Till next time, peace. Oh, once again, sorry about that. I got the driveway turned out. A little bit of tiger striping in there, but we already got a 6% down, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be gone by tomorrow. But yep, peace.